Welcome back guys, welcome back to BitByte Crypto YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to rent or borrow EOS for staking in your wallet. So let's start the video after the intro. Let me show you the process, how EOS blockchain works, or how they process the transaction and how the transaction completed on EOS blockchain, especially for the DApp user. So in EOS blockchain, it's not like Bitcoin blockchain or Ethereum blockchain, because Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain are proof of work blockchain, which means we need to pay some fee for the transaction completed, and EOS is a DPoS blockchain, which is delegated proof of stake. It is not like the staking system, it's like the community based staking system where a community can vote for the block producers and block producers will confirm the transaction. So in simple word, to complete our transaction we need three things, but main things is CPU, and to make many transactions in EOS blockchain we need more CPU power, and that's why we need to stake more EOS in our wallet. So if you have more CPU power, then you can make more transaction daily. The next thing is net. It's also need for our transaction or EOS blockchain to confirm our transaction. And the third thing is RAM. So we need to stock more EOS in our wallet for this CPU power so that we can make our transaction completed in the EOS blockchain. So how we can get more EOS for our wallet to make more transaction confirmation? If we go to CoinGecko, and in here you can see the one EOS price is $2.86. Suppose you want to stake EOS in your wallet. So if you want to stake in your wallet 100 EOS, and that will cost you $285, and which is really expensive for any person to buy this token and stake by yourself. So if you don't want to cost so much for staking, you can borrow this EOS, or you can borrow or rent this EOS for 1 month in your wallet. Let me show you. In here you can see this is my wallet, Review Master, and in here you can see all the resources I have in my wallet. I have 0.2035 EOS in my wallet, and I staked CPU 0.45 EOS. This is staked by myself, not by others. And in here you can see staked by others, which I borrow from others, and I will show you how to borrow this EOS and to show you all the process to do this. So in here you can see I have 57.346 EOS, which is staked by others in my wallet, not by myself. I borrow this from others. So in here you can see CPU staked by others is 51.4524 EOS, and net staked by others 5.8036 EOS. So let me show you some wallets which I personally recommend you to use, and I think this wallet is the best from my own opinion. You maybe have different opinion, you maybe have different choice for using this wallet, so you can go for it whichever you like. So in here you can see first wallet is Scatter. So if you want to use best wallet in your own PC or computer or laptop or Mac, so this is the best wallet, and this is the secure wallet for any users to use and confirm any process on blockchain. So in here you can see that Scatter is available for only Windows, Mac and Linux. No, this is not available for any mobile. If you see any kind of Scatter wallet on mobile app store, that must be a fraud or a scam, so don't go for it. Always check the website. From this you can download. So most of the users using mobile phones, there are some wallets like Token Pocket, Math Wallet, Linux and Nova Wallet for mobile users. I personally recommend, so you can use any of these. So Token Pocket is available for mobile and desktop. you can use this wallet. So I am personally using Token Pocket in this PC because Scatter not supported on my PC because my PC is low configuration. So I am using Token Pocket. And here you can see this is my wallet and this is the balance. So you can use Token Pocket for mobile or desktop. If you have problem with this using this wallet, because different wallet have different feature and different process type, go for Math wallet. It is available for Android. Also they have extension. If you want to use browser extension, then definitely go for Math wallet extension, which is available for Chrome browser and for other browsers. You always check the official website and download or install the right apps or right extension in your PC or mobile, because if you install the wrong or scam extension or app or wallet, then it might steal your personal information, even your private key. Be aware of this. And also you can use their cloud wallet and other web wallet as well. The next one is Linux, which is available for Windows and mobile users. So if you want to download this Linux wallet, you can go to downloads, and from here you can download for Windows, and you can search this in Google Play Store or App Store to use for mobile. So you can use it. And the last one is Nova wallet, which you can use for tap using, and I like the interface of this wallet, and I personally using this wallet now for my mobile. So all these wallet are multi-sig, which means you can use EOS, Bitcoin or Ethereum or other wallet. So my personal recommend for your browser extension, Math wallet. And in here you can see Math wallet supports 48 plus popular public chains supported, and you can get all the list of the tokens or coins or blockchain type which they are supporting, like Bitcoin, Polkadot, Tron, Cosmos, Ontology, Ethereum, EOS, Binance, and so on. Okay, let me show you what is the process to borrow CPU or net in your EOS wallet. So if you want to borrow CPU or net in your wallet, you need to go to blocks.io, and this link will be in the description box. Check the description box, you will get this link. So click on that link and you will redirect to this website, which will be looks like this. And after going to this website, in here you can see some different options like account, wallet. So you have to click on REX. After clicking on this, you will also see in here some option like lend liquid EOS, lend stake EOS, and third option is borrow CPU or net. So you have to click on borrow CPU or net. After clicking this, you will see some options. To do this process, first you need to log in into blocks.io. So click on login. In here you can see login to borrow EOS, or in here you can click on login. So after clicking on login, you can see some different options like Scatter, Simple EOS, Math or Leaf, and Linux wallet. So I am using Token Pocket wallet. If I click on Scatter, that will redirect to my Token Pocket wallet and automatically log into this website. So I am clicking on this, and if you are using different wallet like Linux or Math, then you have to click on if you are Math or Linux. So I am clicking on Scatter like this. So when you click on the wallet option, it will show like this. A pop-up window will be opened and ask for your permission to allow this to log in. So I click on this allow button, and you can see my account is logged in this website. So like this, you have to log in this website. After login in blocks.io website, you have to submit some option to borrow EOS, like borrow for. So for which account you want to borrow. If you want to borrow for yourself, your username will be in here, or you can simply click on borrow for yourself and your username will be automatically input in here. So after this, you can see see an option which is CPU amount, how much EOS you want to spend for borrowing the process. So in the bottom in here you can see current rate, where you can see 1 EOS can borrow 856.7391 EOS for 30 days. So if I input in here 1, so if I spend 1 EOS, it will borrow for CPU 856.7391 EOS for my account. So I won't do that because I don't have that much account balance in my account. So I will choose a small amount, like I want to spend 0.02 EOS. So I will spend 0.02 EOS, and which will borrow 17.1347 EOS in my account. So if you want to borrow CPU, just put the amount which you want to spend to borrow the CPU, and if you want to borrow net amount, then you can simply type here how much you want EOS you want to spend for the net borrowing. So I simply put here 0.01. So I will spend 0.01 EOS to borrow 8.5673 EOS in my account. So after doing this, there is a third option which is auto renew fund. So if you want to do the process automatically, in here you can simply put the amount how much you want to spend, which will be used after 30 days when the borrowed CPU is expired, and this renew fund will be automatically processed. So if you want to do that automatically, then simply put the amount how much you want to spend, and if you don't want, then put it 0. So in here you can see for 0.02 EOS I will spend, and which will borrow me 17.1347 EOS, and if I spend 0.01 EOS, which will borrow me 8.5673 EOS. After input all the things in the form and click on the borrow from Rex. When you click on the borrow from Rex, then the token pocket wallet will be pop up a window, and you need to confirm this like when we log in this website, just like that. Okay, here you can see a token pocket wallet window pop up, and in here you can see all the details, how much I want to borrow and how much I will spend for EOS account. So in here all the details, and you have to click on allow button to process these things. So I will click on the allow button. So if I click on allow button, it will process all the things. After click on the allow button, it will process the transaction, and in here you can see this showing the success option, that my transaction is success, and showing the transaction hash. If you click on this will show you all the transaction details. So in here you can see all the transaction details. In here you can see from review master, loan fund, amount, loan paid, and receipt, review master, all the details you can see here. What it does is borrow 17.1348 EOS for my CPU, and 8.56174 and 8.567 for EOS for my net. So in here you can see CPU loans, and in this option you can all see all the details, like from review master to review master, because I borrow for myself, not for others, and borrowed, how much I borrow. Recently I borrowed 17.1348 EOS for CPU, so this option is showing in here, and I borrowed 8.567 for EOS for net, and which is showing in here CPU loan section, and this will be expired on August 27, because today is 27th July. If I click on account, this will show all the details on my account, like how much CPY staked, like staked by others, which was previously 57 or something. Now this is 83.0495 EOS. So this is the process how you can borrow or get a loan for your EOS wallet. You can use this CPU power to make transaction or complete the process of a debt. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe, stay with crypto.